So last class we see about the introduction about the projection of solid. Okay, now we are to discussing the method of to drawing the projection. Okay, so I told you, there's a basic conditions there. Okay, so if you understand these types of basic conditions or methods, okay, it's a well best knowledge. Perfectly you can proceed the projection types of problems. Okay, so now you have to consider the method of drawing of projection. Okay, so how to do is a step-by-step drawing. Okay. So first of all, you have to construct the XY line. It is a line is a separating the front and top view of the given solid. Okay. So it is a line is a separating the front and top view. The front view is represented as a FP. Top view will represent as a T. Okay. To start with the A is a front and top view with the pair. Okay. The turning of the front view is a reproducing it a turn position. Okay. So certain problem they have to condition to draw the shape. That is very much important. Okay, condition to draw the shape. According to condition, the front view of the looking like shape, the shape get changed. Okay, that is the meaning of the reproducing it a turning position. And the uses of the previous top view and getting a new front view. Okay, after that you can proceed the top view. Okay, so the next step, the turn around the vertical. Okay, the shape of the top view does not changes with the orientation. Okay, and also the distance from the HP as not a changes. Okay, hence the uses of reproducing the top view and the second front view to draw the new front view. Okay, so if an auxiliary plane projection method means, so first you have to plot the standard position of the solid. Okay, here instead of the reproducing the view, make it as a new XY line. Okay, that is the satisfies the required conditions. Again, this step by step process. So the first draw the new XY line to say satisfy the incline with HP, and next Y the new XY satisfy the condition of the orientation with respect to the vertical line. Okay, let's consider if a theory statement is not understandable. Okay, so if I move for the step by step procedure. Okay, let's say you're going to consider. I have to show the right side. I have to show also in one cube. Okay, it's like a brown color and green color. It's a brown. I have to represent as a top view, and the green is a represent as a front view. Okay, so I have to position the simple position of the cube. Okay, let's consider is a way square prism. Okay, why called as a square prism means the bottom side what shape we have to observe. The same shape will be there in the top side. I told it's like a rectangle. It's like a square. The square will be there in the top side also. That's why I have mentioned as a simple position or simple circle, like a square prism. Okay, so the side of 40 mm. Okay, the square means that all the sides are equal sides. We know that. Okay, so and also height also same. They are mentioned the particular height is this problem. Okay, so the square brace problem is always height is equal to base side. That is very much important. Okay, so that's why they have to construct the front and top view of the square prism of a 40 mm side with the axis is perpendicular to HP. So another one is important. Either they have to mention as perpendicular or parallel. These two cases are very important. If you mention as a perpendicular, a particular surface can be it can be 90 degree in with respect to the plane, and the parallel means the similar is like a 0 degree or 180 degree with respect to the plane. Okay, so here the axis is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. So this is the primary case we have to construct this. Okay, so first we have to do is first you have to draw the front view and then you can proceed the top view. So for the cube, okay, for the square prism, you not do any restriction. Okay, but because all the sides are looking at the same, so either you have to consider the top view or front view. This is the very important. Now we have to this slide here shows the how to front view of the given position of the square prism. I have to place in this. When I'm looking the front view, how to consider this square prism. That is a look we are that they can be shown in this slide. Okay, so we know that there is a base and the height is noted. Okay, the base length is 40 and the height is 40. Okay, so first you have to construct the XY line. Okay, after that you have to draw the 40 mm line and the height also 40 mm. So it's like a completely square. Okay, and you have to separate the perpendicular axis is like a dotted line. That dotted line we have to mention as what is look like is like a center line. Okay, that is my axis. Okay, that axis I have to mention this. Okay. So what happened here? So that is a I have to project the line towards the XY line. Okay, below the XY line. the same look like shape will be got in here. Okay, what is the answer? Is like a square. Okay, the square will be having equal side, so that only I have to project the left hand side and right hand side line. Okay, so if you call the name, is very understandable. Okay, so let's move on the next problem. It's easy and is understandable and easy for that. So now you have to understand, I think, the front view, how to consider the front view and top view of the given solid. Okay, so what is the shape you have to mention in this problem? That is a primer foremost thing. Okay, after that you have to consider the front and top view of the given solid. Thank you.